Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. We are here once again in our Igbo class. In our last lesson, we studied about a few words in Igbo language that start with letter A. Today, we are going to study the few numbers, the few words that start with letter B. As you know, if you have been following up, we started with the alphabet, which is Abidi Igbo. We have touched the consonants, we have touched the vowels. We are gradually going into the words. The pronunciations, you should listen very carefully so that you will be able to get the sounds, the tone, pronunciations, because it is quite different from English, even though they have a majority of the English alphabet and letters, but the sounds are different from English. So listen carefully as we pronounce them. We are also going to do this together. So let's move on with the words that start with letter B. Starting from number one, we have Banye. Number one says Banye. Banye means enter. Banye, enter. Number two, Bata. Bata. Bata Bata means come in. Bata, come in. Number three, Bia. Bia. Bia simply means come. Bia, come. Biri. Biri means leave. Biri, leave. Like, where do you live? Biri, leave. Number five, Birie. Birie, that is rise. Birie, rise. Number six, Buru. Buru, that is carry. Buru, Buru, carry. Number seven, we have Bute. Bute. Bute simply means bring. Number eight, Binye. Binye. Binye is borrow. Borrow, to lend. Number nine, Bido. Bido. Bido is begin. Number 10, Butuo. Butuo. Butuo is bring down. Number 11, Biko. Biko. Biko is please. Number 12, Bejie. 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 Bejie is cut. Number 13. Number 13 is Bulite. 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 Bulite is carry up. Carry up. Number 14, Benata. Benata. Benata, to reduce, to cut short. Benata is to reduce. Buddha, number 15. Buddha. Buddha. Buddha is bring down. Bupu, number 16. Bupu. Bupu. Bupu is carry away. Number 17. 17 is buusu. Buusu. In some dialect, they may say Nwolobo. In some region, in some towns, you may hear them call buusu Nwolobo. Buusu or Nwolobo is a cat. Number 18. Beke. Beke. Beke is English. English. Beke. It could be used in a context that may be referring to English language. It may also be used in a context that is referring to a British. 19. 19 says better. Better. Better is to slice. To slice. Number 20. Borrow. Borrow. Number 20. Borrow. Borrow. Borrow says revenge. Borrow means revenge. We are going to end it here for today. Take your time and repeat what we have done today. We will continue to be bringing you the words. In a few days, we are going into simple sentences. Continue to follow us, continue to subscribe, continue to like and share. Thank you and goodbye.